our flag. Now I want you to see what the ice storm did to our flag. Check that out. There is tattered Old Glory. It's really sad. I mean, real sad. As one tattered flag. And if you all watch our shorts, some of you don't watch our shorts. We do have lots of shorts on our channel. The videos that are less than 60 seconds. If you're not in the habit of watching our shorts, please do go to our shorts and watch this video that Stephen made about how this sad looking flag is a real representation of our country right now. I mean, look at it. Old Glory is torn to shreds. Just torn to shreds. The ice storm did that, and so Stephen made a less than 60-second video about how this flag represents the state of our country right now. So if you're not in the habit of watching our shorts, please go and see that. It's really sad. We'll have to replace that. The ice storm tore it up.